ब्रांडेड लोग हैं।
सही बात.
Okay, good.
All good.
So this is the Harsil bike tour. We decided initially that we will go from Dehradun. Me and Neha will start from Dehradun, and Himanshu will start from Delhi, and we will try and reach and meet somewhere post Narendra Nagar. So that didn't happen. We met.
I started late basically.
Okay, go ahead. You started late. So tell me, where was your first break starting from Gurgaon?
Well, I started at 5:45 in the morning, and I think my first break was um, right after Modi Nagar for
Right
petrol.
Okay, petrol. Tell them which bike do you ride?
CB500X.
Yeah, that has to
Made
be
by Honda.
specified.
Honda ka Londa. Okay. So you took your break first for the full tank at Modi Nagar, post Modi Nagar.
Post Modi Nagar.
And then where was your next break?
It was I think right after Haridwar, Rishikesh. Sorry.
Right after Rishikesh, where you had your breakfast.
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
On the way to Narendra Nagar.
On the way to Narendra Nagar. I think we also had our breakfast post Narendra Nagar, a place called Kunjapuri Mandir.
Yeah.
You can't miss it. You will have to cross Kunjapuri when you are going from Dehradun, going towards Uttarkashi.
Yeah.
And then
When you just cross Narendra Nagar, you get
Kunjapuri. It has a beautiful view also from there of the Himalayan peaks. During the winters you can see the snow-capped mountains from there. And going forward we met Himanshu. Where did we meet you?
That was post Chamba.
This was at
Post Chamba.
that
No,
At the
band.
Sheetal restaurant.
That band.
That is Dharasu band.
Dharasu band.
Right.
So Dharasu band has the importance that from Dharasu you have these way to चार धाम. जो चार धाम के रास्ते कटते हैं, मतलब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इंग्लिश में भी नहीं बोलना चाहता इस इंटरव्यू में. So चार धाम के लिए जो रास्ते कटते हैं वहाँ से from Dharasu band is Gangotri and Yamunotri. And ये दोनों रास्ते वहाँ से कट जाते हैं. And Dharasu band has had very importance because of this. क्योंकि जब भी चार धाम के लिए निकलने वाले यात्री जाते हैं तो वो शायद धरासू बैंड तक वापस उन्हें आना पड़ता है दूसरे धाम जाने के लिए. आप चाहे आप यमुनोत्री से आ रहे हैं चाहे आप गंगोत्री से आ रहे हैं,
आप अपना डेस्टिनेशन वहाँ पे
चेंज कर सकते हैं.
डिसाइड कर सकते हैं.
तो हम लोग मिले धरासू बैंड पे शीतल रेस्टोरेंट में वेयर फॉर रिफ्रेशमेंट्स. एंड उसके बाद हम लोग आगे बढ़ चले हैं टूवर्ड्स मनेरी. सो मनेरी का क्या है? डू यू वांट टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाट मनेरी इज? विद लाइक इट्स अ हाइड्रो पावर्ड डैम.
Maneri, it's famous for its dam.
Yeah.
And they have built a Ganga Ghat
Yes,
section
yes.
also. So
Bhagirathi.
Bhagirathi, yeah. It's like Ganga,
हाँ.
you can say it like that.
So there we started together from Dharasu band, and then going straight to Maneri, right? Did we take any stops in between?
Yeah, we did. Actually, one interesting point in between is of that
That
the
waterfall.
dam that you talked about. The water that is coming from there, it looks like waterfall.
Ah,
and
yeah,
it looks
yeah.
pretty milky and
Yes,
it's
yes.
kind of really big. So
Yes,
you get
yes,
really
yes.
nice pictures over there, nice
Uh-huh.
videos.
It
Also, it's like, you know, the way with the
Yeah.
flow, with the kind of force it comes out of there,
Yes.
it feels like it's raining over
Yeah,
there.
yeah,
So it's kind of a nice experience from all the heat that you're gathering on the way. It's kind of refreshing.
Yeah.
I think a lot of people, you can't miss it. A lot of
Uh-huh.
pictures are being taken there by everyone whoever is traveling towards Gangotri from there. So see, now we have entered. This is post Uttarkashi.
That's right.
This is post Uttarkashi. So post Uttarkashi scenes change drastically. Before this, what was your riding experience on your bike before Uttarkashi, and after Uttarkashi? Do you think it is like much better just leaving the dirt roads and whatever construction which has been happening
I
for
think
the Char
that
Dham
can't
road?
be escaped, right? The construction of roads is going to keep on happening, considering the kind of the nature of the mountains that we have over here in Uttarakhand, especially in these lower places.
Yes.
One rains and landslide happens, and then you have to construct the roads all over again. So one has to keep that in mind that
That
it
is-
is always gonna be
It
there.
is always under construction, these
Uh-huh.
highways. Yes.
So some part of the road would always be bad or would be always be under construction. So that is a given. But before Uttarkashi, you know, you might see dry uh, mountains. The greenery may not be so prominent, but post Uttarkashi, you certainly start feeling that greenery coming back, and you also feel that weather getting slightly better,
Slightly
as in from warmer you
Chilly
start
after
feeling the
Uttarkashi.
cooler weathers.
I also feel that. I feel the before and after ride, Uttarkashi is much different. I enjoy it much after Uttarkashi, and of course that dam is an interesting point, and one can stay around there. Is Maneri, the Maneri village where we ended up staying.
Yeah. The best thing is to that Maneri village, it's a little lower. It's
It's
closer
lower.
to the river, so you can always stroll towards the river,
Yeah,
just
yeah.
chill over
Uttarkashi,
there.
you are actually riding along
With
the-
Bhagirathi.
हाँ, with Bhagirathi.
Excuse me.
Less. Less.
No cuts, no cuts. Okay, so yeah, Maneri was our day one. So this was planned that we will stay at Maneri day one, and day two we will head towards Uttarkashi. Harsil. So Harsil is another 60 kilometers from Maneri, and Maneri is how many from Uttarkashi? Maneri must be some 50 to 60 kilometers, somewhere around there. Okay. So from Maneri, next day we thought we will go to Harsil, but हम हरसिल ना
Taking a
जाकर
stop at
हाँ हम लोग गंगनानी में एक स्टॉप लिए. Now why गंगनानी? What is गंगनानी? गंगनानी is a hot spring जो कि आपका आता है रास्ते पे गंगोत्री के, एंड वो उसकी मान्यता है कि वहाँ पर कोई एक ऋषि मुनि ने ड्यूरिंग द सतयुग और पोस्ट युगास आफ्टर दैट कुछ तपस्या की और वहाँ पर वो तप्त कुंड आया, उत्पन्न हुआ. So वहाँ पर
Although I'm stopping in between,
Yeah.
but it's quite interesting, right? That most of the 4 dhams that are
Yeah,
there,
yeah.
everyone has one kund right next
there
to
is
it.
there is one kund.
It's like you just
Yes,
cleanse yourself and then go and visit.
And
the-
also this
Yeah.
is one nature's way of giving you some kind of a respite कि तुम इतना दूर तक आए हो, relax in the hot spring. And one thing is, once you enter the hot spring, your body completely transforms from being very tired to being very refreshed in a matter of minutes. So
Right.
what I think these hot springs, please read about them. I don't have to tell what hot springs are. वो
sulfur.
that would go beyond the
Yeah,
scope
yeah.
of this video.
Yes. So the sulfur water we rejuvenated there, and instead of going to Harsil at that moment, we decided that we will explore this other part of the same mountain range. This place is called Silla. So Silla is a
It's
village
opposite to the range of
opposite to the
Harsil.
range. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, the opposite range of Harsil.
You get to see the other side of Gangotri.
Yes, yes. So you see the other side of the Gangotri peak. So right behind us, actually, you can't see it right now through the camera because that sun is blocking it. But there you can see the Kedarnath and the Gangotri from this village. So this is probably the end of the road here at Silla. It goes a little further to
Pallasari.
पल्लासारी विलेज. वहाँ से आपका ट्रैक चालू होता है फॉर कुश कल्याण.
And एक और ऋषि तटकुंड.
सप्तऋषि कुंड.
सप्तऋषि कुंड.
No.
Some kund.
Ah.
Yeah.
All right. Let's just settle there. We don't have information on that kund yet. But for sure कुश कल्याण ट्रैक जो यहाँ से चालू होता है और यहीं पर रोड खत्म हो जाती है अभी टिल पल्लासारी, और हम लोग रुके हैं उससे 2 किलोमीटर पहले सारी विलेज में, सॉरी सिल्ला विलेज.
Silla.
तो
सारी को टिमक पड़ गया.
काफी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा. आई थिंक हरसिल ना जाके भी वी हर्ड कि हरसिल में बहुत भीड़ है इस वक्त बिकॉज ऑफ द चार धाम यात्रा गोइंग ऑन. सो हरसिल इज प्रीटी मच पैक्ड क्योंकि हर कोई हरसिल रुकना चाहता है गंगोत्री जाने से पहले, क्योंकि हरसिल में आपको हरसिल एप्पल्स मिलते हैं and Bagori village hai, which is a tourist spot. So we decided give it a miss since it is peak season. I would suggest if you are not on the Char Dham route, you probably don't want to go there and come explore this side. Silla, you have excellent staying facility here.
Food and lodge is both good.
Excellent. And
Food is really remarkable for the price that being.
food is really good. And if you are coming for this hidden trek called Kush Kalyan, maybe you find a little bit on the internet. Don't think इसके बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा
And that
commercial
Kund trek
है.
is 7 days trek.
हाँ, and then the other Kund trek is 7 days.
You cross many mountain peaks and then you reach. I don't know what is the name.
सब whatever एक बहुत ही बड़ा कुंड है.
The interesting thing about Kund is there are two rivers coming out.
Yeah. So from that kund, 2 rivers come out and both join Ganga. Pilang and Bhilang, 2 नदियाँ उस कुंड से निकलती है. पिलंग नदी के किनारे हम अभी हैं ऊपर. ये है सिल्ला विलेज और नीचे बह रही है पिलंग नदी. और भिलंग दूसरी तरफ से निकलती है उसी कुंड से. So of course once somebody gets to experience that trek, I would say
We haven't come prepared for
Yeah,
that.
yeah, full
Otherwise, we
blessing.
would have done it.
full blessings to those people who ever go to this Kush Kalyan trek and that Kund trek. Maybe we will plan it in
Sometime
future.
in future.
We have excellent facility for the trek arrangement by the locals of Silla village. So they have the tenting, camping equipment, they have guides, they will take care of you, they will go take you on the trek for 7 days and back here. And from here again you head to Uttarkashi and below down towards Rishikesh or wherever you are taking your flight from or train from. Ideally take a train till Delhi.
From Delhi to Haridwar.
From Delhi to Haridwar, from Haridwar to Uttarkashi. You take these buses. Delhi to Haridwar, Haridwar to Uttarkashi, very well connected via the roads and railways till Haridwar. From Haridwar you will get buses to Uttarkashi, I think every 20 minutes. That's not a problem. From Uttarkashi, might I suggest, book a taxi there. Ask people that you want to go to the village called Silla, Silla, Silla village, and book a taxi. Won't cost you a bomb because this is not a very long distance. Come here, stay at Rawat homestay, which I think is excellent, and ask them that you want to go for this trek. When I upload this video, I would probably write the phone number of Mr. Rawat, but please do not disturb him unnecessarily asking about random things. Only if you want to come for this trek and stay here, please use that phone number. And yeah, that's about it. Anything you guys want to throw some light on?
We can tell them about our future plan, how we are planning on going back.
Going back, yes. Why don't you start on that? What is the time and how we are? It's 8:38 in the morning. We have had our morning tea, and now.
Well, we plan on going to the nearby village. What it's called? Where we'll have our
Malla.
breakfast. Malla village.
Malla village.
We'll have our breakfast
8
over there.
kilometers from here. That is from Malla. You leave that mountain range and you cross to here via a bridge. So from Malla you have to take a right towards Silla village and then you cross the Pilang river and then you come to this side.
So we go to Malla, have our breakfast.
Okay.
Basically
Then
parathas.
lunch at.
Let's see how far we can go.
Lunch we'll see.
Maybe at Chamba.
Chamba.
Or maybe a little before than that.
Maybe Chamba or before.
But another interesting thing, we are planning to take a different route while going back, right?
Oh yes, we got to know about this route which comes along the side of the dam. So we will try and explore that while going back.
What was the name of the place from where we have to take a detour? It was kind of a freaky name, I think.
Chilyanisor.
Chilyanisor, yeah.
Chilyanisor.
Sounds like a dinosaur to me.
Yeah, Chilyanisor. So Chilyanisor there is another route which cuts this long distance, and we will go through
And,
some
yeah,
other
and it
routes.
said that
The
the
route.
roads are much better.
Roads
and
are much
view
better.
is much better as
View
well.
is also amazing. So yeah, we will try and
Not-
explore that, because since we are riding, so we have this.
And he was saying
Advantage.
we'll save about 90 minutes. Sorry,
That will
it's
be-
90 kilometers. So that's
that
like a
will be-
3-hour kind of a thing.
Oh
Right,
my
yes.
God, this is like a
So we are
shortcut.
seeing how we will achieve that. That we will get to know. You guys will get to know later. But so far, I would say the Harsil bike trip was a success. We got to see a lot of things which we didn't even plan initially in the trip plan. So yeah, on the way, one more probably kind of a bonus information I want to give you is that uh, so people, if you have read about Harsil, you have read about Bagori village, and you know the Bhotia tribe who were the part of Tibet and moved to the Indian side in 1962. So the village in Bagori is famous for the handicraft woolen. So you can find really nice hand woven sweaters, male, female, and they are very high quality wool, and of course the craftsmanship is very unique. So you can either buy them from Bagori, or else you can buy them from the Dunda place. Dunda, just before Uttarkashi. You just ask people that you want to buy the Bhotia products, Bhotia woolen, if you are into woolens. So yep, that is one bonus information from my side. You guys want to add something on the biking? Maybe what should be an add-on?
Essentials.
Essentials that you want to carry. Well, bikers know what essentials they want to carry.
Water,
Water.
the most important thing.
Carry water.
And pack light, not like
Pack
me.
light. Yeah. Pack light, of course. Do you have any
Also for pillions, pack light.
Pack.
You have to, balance.
pillions? I would always suggest do not strap on the bags on your shoulders. It's much more painful. Just anyways, use a bungee cord or something. Just tie the luggage on the side of the bike, which
Relax
is
your back and just
much
enjoy.
easier on the pillion.
Yeah.
Yeah. So with this, we will end this little chat up. So thank you, and goodbye from Silla village, and
Yeah.
we will head off. Bye. Thank you.
Sayonara.